No, dash 7. Why? Freaking heck. Um, hey Jake. Um, Not a lot currently, actually. Um, but let's go ahead and open. Okay. Um, Currently, actually, what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do this for a second because I want to protect this code. She's gonna stay blocked for a few minutes here, just because I want to go ahead and do a few things here first. How do I want to do this? I mean, I know what I want to do, I'm just not sure how exactly to do it. Okay, I want to put. Okay, now I can make it visible for you again. now I can do that. Because I got all the stuff I wanted to get out. I want to use this file here, edge1.m. Oh, I don't want to show that too much. And then I want to go. I just want to be able to make sure that it's going to still work. So we're going to go. I really should have done this before I started streaming. Because like I said, I don't want to show too much of the trick, because it's just a lot of hard work that we've been doing for so long. I don't want it to just be stolen. That's really my only concern. What do you mean? Is it possible, you think, to use text that goes around the edges? What do you mean by that? Yeah, I know I should have done this before streaming. That wouldn't look good. That wouldn't look actually really bad. But yes, it's possible. Is it going to happen in Edge? No. That's just not something that's aesthetically pleasing, at least in my opinion. Because you have to think about it in this perspective. How many words are you gonna, like, how many words could you possibly want to put on your phone? Because that would be a lot of words you'd have to do to fill that whole outline. That'd be ridiculous. Well, like I said, is it possible? Yeah. Could it be done? Absolutely. Is that something I'm interested in doing? Not now, at least. No. But what I am wanting to do with Edge in version 3.0 is what I want to do is I want to make it so that it's only showing on the lock screen. And I think I know exactly how to do that. Now when I say lock screen, I mean when the phone is locked, not on the cover sheet. But I do know exactly how to do that. Let's close Twitter real quick, minimize this. I'm gonna go into... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna undo everything I deleted. Let's just go down to the bottom line. Don't need to have this stuff. This, we'll delete. We'll worry about this stuff later. I'll wipe that off camera. Yeah, because I don't want to worry about that right now. But what I want to do is we're going to actually change this to be not the lock screen CC. I want to make this K display mode. And instead of a bool value, I'm going to make it an integer value. I'm going to make it default at 0. I'm going to get rid of lock screen CC. Okay. So what I want to do right here is create, so I want to do if K display mode equals 0, and we're going to make this be lock screen only. We're gonna have self set window level UI alert. UI window level alert minus 1000. Else if K display mode equals 1, and we'll make this springboard only. And then we're going to do else if K display, actually, no, else, which will just be everywhere, once it's on the system wide. This will be self set window level UI window level alert minus 100. And we're actually going to copy this. Oh no, lock screen only. It's going to be 100. It's going to be when it's not on the lock screen, and it's going to be 1000. That's how that's going to be. And then we're going to get rid of this. Let me make sure. Okay, lock screen. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we have that. Now let's go down. Let's go into the here. We're gonna go K display mode equals 0. And this turns into an integer, and that goes there. Okay. Now, we're gonna go and get rid of that. I don't need to put that there. Okay, let's go into control, make this 3.0, beta 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to we're gonna go. Sorry, I'm just forgetting where I'm at right now. Okay. And I'm saying a lot. I apologize. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna copy this. I'm gonna place it. Oh, I'm gonna paste it here. It's gonna become display mode, and this is display mode. This is lock screen only. Springboard only. System wide. Was it Max? Or Mac S? I don't know how you miss it. Yes, the first one. Okay, now, like I was doing in here, I want to go into my tweaks folder and go into Custom Sounds 13, actually, funny enough. Want to open it in new. We're going to put it on the side here because I'm going to use this code want to use some of this code as well as going to use this code. And you'll see the reason why I want to do this is because we're going to also implement where do this, boom. Oh wait, no, so I want to do this in both, no, not this one, in this and in this, because then what we're going to do is if display mode is equal to 0. Oh, and it is UI locked. It is not UI locked, sorry. Then like don't want to delete any sounds. What I actually want to do is do edge window set hidden yes. No, sorry, no, I don't want that hidden. Oh, did I ever add that in? If I didn't, then definitely send the link again in my Discord, and I will definitely add that, because I definitely meant to. Like, I know which one you're talking about the Mac OS one, right? I definitely meant to add that, and I don't think I did. Because I was actually looking for that sound, too, but I could never find it. Let's find out. Let me look and... Let me look. I'll check. I can check, too. I'll install my phone real quick. Respring. Let me see. Did I add it to the tweak? Volume sound. I did. Awesome. Okay. Good. Good to know. Okay, now let's go ahead and keep working on Edge here. So, I got everything I need from here. I just need a couple things from... Okay, so I want to add this as a value. I also want to add in... What are the... Actually, I need SB... Okay, so I need this... And I need... Yeah, I need all three of these. I think I already have... I should add... Oops. I should add this line right here. And I can get rid of this. And I think that's all I need. Yeah. Okay. So I can close out of this. I can close out of this. And I can do this. And do this. Okay. New mentions. Who's mentioning me? Okay, let's go into Edge. Now let's make clean do. And let's see if this works. Let's pull up my screen right here. It should work perfectly. Nothing should be broken. Uh-oh. Oh, did I not add... Oh, I know I need to do. I need to put this up here. That's what the bottom is there. Yep, that was a problem. So now let's just see how it works. See if it works or not. So by default, once my phone resprings, we should see the border. If I have the tweak installed. If I have the tweak enabled, sorry. I don't know if I do even at the moment. Like, I don't know if it was last set enabled or disabled. We'll find out here in a second. And it disabled. I don't know. Oh, it's gonna look really bad on there. Freaking AirPlay, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna enable the tweak. I'm gonna respring. Oh no, it's okay on the thing. Okay, so you can see here that it did indeed work. Now if I lock my screen, you can see it shows on the recording. When I tap my screen, you can see it does show back up. And as soon as it unlocks, boom. That works as intended. And swiping to like when it would normally change colors does not affect it. Does it actually? It does still change the color though, that's kinda cool. So when you do this and you still swipe and you go back, it's still gonna be a different color. That is actually really cool. Because it's still detecting those swipes, so it's still changing the color. Okay, so that's done. Let me make sure everything else is still working. So let's go. Actually, let me try something. What if I do? Actually, I shouldn't need to do this at all. If I do it right, I shouldn't need that at all. So if I go. Let me try something. Void view will appear bool arg1 if k display mode equals 0, edge window set hidden no. I want to comment this out. I want you to try this like so and see if this works. I don't know if it will, but we'll see. Because then that might even make it work a lot when it's like not locked. That's what this should do if it works. Is it should allow it to, even when it's not locked, when you just swipe down and go to the notification, it should still show. Theoretically. Oh, that's a good sign. If I unlock, it's gone. If I swipe down, it's there. If I swipe up, boom! And then if I lock my device, and I go like this, it's there. Yes, we did it. I mean, I did it, but yeah, whatever. That is awesome. I'm happy about that. That is super dope. Okay. Then I wonder. That's awesome. I'm happy with that. That is excellent. So I can get rid of this. And I can go down and get rid of this and this, I think. Yeah. And I can get rid of this as well. Perfect. And this should still work perfectly. It should still compile as intended. Yeah, it does. Perfect. That is incredible. I am quite happy about that. Now, that's awesome. I can't believe you got that to work. Okay, well, wait. Oh! Another idea. Let me just look at something real quick. What is that controller called? It is SB Home Screen View Controller. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to do copy this. We're going to name this SB Home Screen View Controller. I'm going to have the same two methods there. We're going to copy this. And I'm going to comment out these. Okay. I want you to try something. This is me, SB Home Screen View Controller. And I don't think I even need these. I don't think I need those. Let's try this. This might have broken it. I might have to put those things back in. Those property lines back in, but I don't know. No, I don't. Okay, so what this should do, in theory, is work similarly to how the lock screen functions work. But in this case, it should hide it in any application. Now, this would not mean that I would be able to make it in certain applications. This would just be in all applications. See, that's where this problem happens, as we have this where it just doesn't want to work now. Let me see if this helps at all. if I just comment that out for now. That might help a little bit with, because it might be conflicting with the functions. So I think that might be partially what's going on in this situation. But if this isn't what, I have another thought. Because that isn't the most, it isn't really in use view controller much. It's not even like in actual Flex. So we'll see if this makes it any different. If it doesn't, then like I said, I have another thought. You know that's not working. Okay. Also, why is my notch not surrounded? Border options. Ah, that's why. Default notch. And I don't like it when things don't reply. Come on. There we go. That's what I want to see. Okay, so like I said, in theory, I want to try something different. I'm going to try SB icon controller. Otherwise, I have another thought of what I'm going to try, and that's going to look at Cronus, see how I'm doing it here. Yeah, icon controller. That's what I thought. Maybe this will help at all. I don't know if it will. Let's see. No errors. Good. I don't like having this many freaking bundles, but people want to see the icon. People want to freaking activate and support. So that's why this takes so long to freaking build. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure. I'm trying to fix that. Every day, every time I'm try to do something, I try to fix it. But it doesn't like to work. That's meh. I'm not gonna put that in 3.0, at least not yet. I want to get rid of this for now, actually. I don't want to worry about it. I got one of the main things I wanted to do, which is that, so we're gonna get rid of this. Close out of this. Now... Now let's go ahead and take a peek into why frickin' no, we're not adding constant rotating animation in Edge, not now. That's coming soon, but not in 3.0. And also, please don't come in here telling me to do stuff. You can ask, but don't tell me to do stuff. Because here's the thing, I don't have to do anything. So don't act like I do. Oh yes, let's take a look and see why some things don't want to work. We're gonna, first off, we're gonna go let's see if we can't get Sephi working in Edge once again. Okay. So we got A, we got that there. That's what we want there. Close this now. Now we want to add this. And do I have the values here? I do for all of them. Okay, good. Actually, no, I don't need to. I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, so we have this. I'm gonna paste this here. Oops. And we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of all of these default values here because I don't need them, and they're just gonna get in the way. Okay, so that's that. And this is this. I'm also gonna do another one. We're gonna do void load tweak, which is something I've started doing in my newer tweaks, which is going to do if k enabled initialize the tweak. This is load tweak. There we go. And this is all gonna start becoming integer, not just int. That just works better in my opinion. Okay, now we're gonna close this. We're going to go into control. I'm gonna add ws.hbang.comment. This will become beta 2, technically, because we're going to be trying something new in this one. Also, we're going to want to go yeah, kind of. It's better with handling preferences. And I've started adding it back into all intakes, even with LibTower Dev in this week. Just because of the fact that it kind of does, like I said, it does help with handling preferences and handling preference changes and all that stuff. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go in the make file, we're going to go bundle name extra frameworks equals Cephy and Cephy prefs. Oops. I want you to do this because I need to go in here and I need to do tweak name extra framework Cephy. Let's see. Yes, I know those cells have been changed. That's the reason. We're gonna go. And it's gonna become let's see what we got here. If we just do, so let's see if it'll work first try. Just trying to disable the tweak. That does work first try. Now let's try enabling the tweak. That works first try. Let's try changing the border style, which is what caused us multiple tribes last time. That works first try. I think we fixed it. I think we fixed it. Wait, hold on. Does that look off to you? Is it just me? Or does it? Does it seem that this corner doesn't have the same radius as this one? I can't tell. No, it definitely. That's my girlfriend. The picture's there. Frick, that's not. Why does it look so bad? Why is it doing that now? That's strange. It's doing something weird on the thing. But hold on. I don't know. I can't tell if that's doing anything real or not. Okay, I think I'm gonna get off, guys. I'm gonna try to put on it because probably a couple weeks. I still got some stuff I want to do with it, but I am getting kind of bored of working on this right now. So I might come back later. I might go back live later. But yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys later.